So if you're in Hugo right now and you're trying to figure out whether you should sell your house now or wait, you're not alone. I'm Boyice Williams with eXp Real estate professional here in Hugo, Minnesota. I help homeowners figure out when and how to make a move without second guessing it later. This is probably the most common conversation I'm having right now. And honestly, most people are asking the wrong version of this question. Everyone is focused on the market, interest rates, headlines, what they're hearing from friends or online. And it feels like if you don't time this perfectly, you're going to make a mistake. But here's the reality. This isn't really about timing the market. It's really about timing your situation. Let me ask you something. If the market stayed exactly the same for the next 12 months, would you still be thinking about moving? For most people, the answer would be yes. Because the reason that you're even considering selling usually has nothing to do with the market. It has to do with space, layout, lifestyle changes, or just being ready for something different. That's the part that actually matters. When I sit down with homeowners here in Hugo, we're not trying to guess what the market is going to do. We're looking at a few simple things. Why are you thinking about moving in the first place? What your home would realistically sell for in today's market, and what your next move actually looks like. Because this is the part that trips people up. It's not selling the home. It's what happens after you sell. I had a conversation with a homeowner not too long ago right here in the area. They kept saying they wanted to wait for the right time. And when we actually talked through everything, they realized they were going to move anyway. They just didn't have a clear plan yet. And that's what creates the hesitation. Not the market, the lack of clarity. I see people wait for spring, wait for rates to drop, wait for things to feel better. And then 6 months or a year goes by and they're still in the same spot. Not because they made a bad decision, but because they never made one at all. And on the flip side, I've had plenty of conversations where I've told people to actually wait. It makes more sense to wait. This isn't about pushing you to sell. It's about figuring out what actually makes sense for you. That's really what I focus on. Helping you understand your options before you make a move, so you're not second guessing it later. So if you're in a Hugo or in the Northeast Twin Cities and you're trying to figure out whether now is the right time for you to sell, just message me MOVE and I'll send you a simple breakdown so you can actually see what this would look like for your situation. No pressure, just clarity. At the end of the day, you don't need to be perfect and you don't need perfect timing. You just need a plan that makes sense for your life.